Lovely fluffy muffins. Stay tuned. Hi and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rose and this is Easy to Cook at Home. Today I'm going to be making some lovely English muffins. Fluffy on the inside, crunchy with that lovely cornmeal on the outside, absolutely to die for. I love them with poached eggs and bacon or slathered with lots of butter and some jam. I love the aroma of fresh muffins cooked early in the morning, absolutely to die for. So without further ado, let's get started. And the first thing we're going to do, put some milk on the stove. Okay, so we're going to start with heating up the milk until it's a nice bubbling hot. And then to that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of caster sugar. And then we'll just leave that until it's lukewarm. I'm going to sieve half of the flour into a bowl, approximately half anyway. And leave the other half. Add in the yeast to the warm water. I'm going to boil it and then let it cool down to around about 45 degrees. And you just let that sit for around about 10 minutes until it's nice and frothy. Okay, so to half the flour we're going to add in the yeast. You can see the yeast is nice and bubbly. To that we add the milk, it's cooled down. Just lukewarm. To that we add the butter. And you're just going to mix it up until it gets nicely combined. And then to that you add some more of the sifted flour, just until it comes into a nice dough. Still a bit sticky, a bit more. Okay, so that's the kind of consistency you're looking for, a nice soft dough. You might not use all of the flour, just want to get a nice soft dough like that. And you want to take it out and then just put a bit of oil into your bowl. What the oil does is it stops the dough from sticking to your bowl while it's rising. And then put it back in. And then cover it and let it rise until it's doubled in size. Lightly dust your baking tray with some polenta. I've just put some greaseproof underneath just to stop them sticking. Just lightly dust it. You can use rice as well, rice flour. I've just ground this in a blender and made it a lot finer because polenta can be a little bit coarse, so you just grind it down just until it's a little bit smaller. Okay, so it's risen, just need to take it out Put it onto the board here. And just put out a bit of flour. This is the extra flour that I had left. So you just want to add in as much flour to get a nice soft dough. You just place it on the flour, put a bit of flour on your rolling pin, and then just roll it out till it's around about an inch thick. Okay, so that looks good. Then you get your cutter. I've just got a plain cutter here. And keep rolling until you've got no mixture left. Put the mixture back together again, and then roll it out and get your last lot out of it. You just put the dough back together and you just roll it out and just keep cutting until you've got no dough left. Then you place them on the baking tray on top of the polenta. Give a little gap in the middle between them. Then you dust them with some more polenta on the top, and you just let them rest uncovered for around about 30 minutes until they've doubled in size. Okay, so I've put the pan on the stove and I'm just going to spray in some oil. It's up to you. If you want to use just normal oil, you just need to put a very light film on the bottom. You want to cook them on a medium heat. You can see they've nicely risen. Got that muffin look. And you just place them in the pan, so they're nicely risen. And you cook them on each side for around about 10 minutes. I'm going to do it in batches. You don't want to fill up the pan too much. That should do it. Okay, so they've been cooking now for 10 minutes on the one side. So I'm going to flip them over. They're nice and brown there. Flip them over. They're very light and fluffy. You just turn them over and cook them on the other side. With them being on a medium heat, it'll get through to the centre as much as possible. And then after we've cooked them on this side for 10 minutes, we'll put them in the oven on a very low heat just to make sure the inside gets cooked completely for a really, really low heat, as low as your oven can go. Okay, so once they've cooked 10 minutes on each side, I'm going to put them on a baking tray. Make sure they're both brown on both sides. If you've got a medium heat, it should be easy just to pick them out. Woo, asbestos fingers. So they're lovely and light and fluffy. So you just want to put those in the oven and then do the next batch, and then you can put those in the oven as well. Okay, so I've just toasted them. Slather on some butter and put some jam on the top. Yummy. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed that video. Please leave your comments below. I love to read all your comments. Subscribe, like and share, all that good stuff. Thank you very much. Have a great day and bye-bye for now. Hope to see you soon. Bye.